All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another trading day. Yesterday, I did not trade. I just wasn't liking price action, and any opportunities I had, I either missed or just wasn't one for me. So I didn't trade yesterday, but that just saves our capital and preserves it. Today, we passed the account, so that's one done. Today was a huge day for me. I took 2 trades today. Very green today. The reason why I took 2 trades is because my first trade, I marked out. It went really good, right? But my psychology, I did not hold my trade and I psyched myself out and I closed my position being scared of a liquidity sweep. That didn't happen. I thought it was going to be a liquidity sweep, so I closed it. I closed it still in the green, but I was upset at myself for not following my rules and sticking to my trade. But everything happens for a reason, because me closing out that position made me force myself to follow my rules and take 2 trades today, which, as you guys know from my earlier videos starting this series, I told myself I'm going to take 2 trades a day. I have been taking 1 trade and being done, because once I make profit on the day, I'm good off of that. Like, I do not need to force another trade and stuff, but if I see the opportunity, I'm gonna take it. Today was one of those days. I marked out where I would take a long and a short. And I told myself, if it hits this, I'm taking a short. If it hits this, I'm taking a long. And it ended up hitting my short target, and I took it. The trade was a profit of 1,500. I got out on the first trade profit 300 when I would have been like profit 600. And me doing that forced myself to take another trade today. And my opportunity hit, and I got a profit of 1,500. We are green plus 1,800 today, and it made us pass the account. I'm gonna let you guys get right into the trade. All right, November 6th, 6:57, 7 a.m. It's sell side liquidity right here. I saw it. Kind of missed my chance to short here. I saw this fair value gap being disrespected. Could have went for this 1 to 3. Kind of missed out on that. Could go for this 1 to 1. But let's see what this would be. Take profit here. Stop loss there. Risk 1.0. Still plus 800. But it could be sweeping this sell side liquidity. Getting out. So I feel like I kind of missed my chance to get in there. So we'll just go based off of the fair value gaps that the downtrend makes. See what this candlestick does. I don't want to get reversed out, so I'm gonna wait for a little bit more to confirm it. I want to target London lows. Oh, it's bouncing off crazy off of that. Oh. What is it doing? Did I press cancel? I was getting ready to close my position if it was gonna wick off, and I thought I pressed cancel because I was like thinking like, no, I need to hold my trade. When I pressed cancel, it just moved my stop loss down and closed my stop loss, and then kept me in, and then took me out at 316 profit. So I don't know what just happened. Alright guys, so since that first trade, I wigged out and closed my position instead of holding my trade. Didn't follow my rules at all. I'm gonna wait and see if this closes below this previous fair value gap that hasn't been filled. And then target this sell side liquidity if it does. So it'll be something like this. For a 1 to 2. To ride this downtrend, we're breaking below London lows. But we don't have candlestick closure yet, so this could reverse and keep consolidating. So we'll see what it does, or what I mean, start consolidating, not keep consolidating. And now it's bearish. Not. We'll target these fair value gaps if it respects it. Target this buy side liquidity and go for a long up here. Yeah, I'll do this one. I don't really like how small this fair value gap is. But yeah, something like that. So this is what we're looking at for our second trade. Yeah. That first trade, I should have just held it. I let my emotions get the best of me there, but the good thing about it is it wasn't negative on our account, but the bad thing about it is it was negative on our psychology. One, it could have been better for our account if I held it. Probably would have been at 2K profit. Only needing technically one trade to pass the account. But yeah, so we're gonna try to change that, do something good here. I love the price action of the market right now. It's moving good today, moving how I want it to. Can drag this out. We gotta close below. We are gonna target the lows. I'm gonna go like middle of this fair value gap, just because 1.0. Gonna move you down here. Sell point down here. I want to go for here. It look like that. Let it reach down there. Sell here. Why is it not getting me in? There we go. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yo. That was a fucking crazy trade. Alright guys, so we are going to journal both our trades today. So the first one, mini NAS, New York. Market was on a bearish trend and created a bearish fair value gap. Then the fair value gap was disrespected with candlestick closure. After the candlestick closure, I took a short targeting the London lows for today. The risk reward was a 1 to 5. Did you follow your plan? No, all of my rules were met for this trade. I still second guessed myself and got scared that market would do a liquidity sweep and closed my trade instead of holding it. Emotions, I was unconfident in trading with emotion. How to improve win or loss? Hold my trade if it follows my rules and don't close off of one candlestick, which the candlestick didn't even close yet. It was starting to wick and I got scared. I don't even know why I did that. I've never done that before, but you live and you learn from it. So this trade was a profit of 316. Glad it closed out in the green. Kind of helped my psychology there, seeing the green. But second trade was mini NAS, New York. Market was on a bearish trend and had an unfilled fair value gap from yesterday. That fair value gap was disrespected with candlestick closure, so I targeted yesterday's London lows. So basically the exact same trade from that I took before, but targeting yesterday's fair value gap and London low. 1 to 3 risk or reward. Yes. I did follow my plan, had all the confluences I needed to take this trade. I also learned from my first trade today and held my trade. Emotions, I was confident in my trade. Overall on the day for how to improve win or loss, stick to my plan. Don't close off of one candlestick and don't trade out of emotion. Here's the second trade I took. Pretty big trade for a plus 1500 on that trade. So overall today we are up 1800. All right guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I'm very hyped. That is our first account passed for the demo trading. So now we just need to pass one more account. And once we pass this next account, then we are going to get into actually getting funded. Let me know in the comments below who you guys think I should go through. I'm really considering Top Step. They don't have that many rules. Profit split's pretty good. I like their process. It kind of gives you something to work towards. It kind of gives you levels to it and you kind of get rewarded as you go, whether that's with profit or not. I kind of like their process of doing it, but if any of you guys think otherwise and have better people I can go through or prop firms I could go through, let me know. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's trading. I'll see you guys the next day we trade on the new demo account.